A person who dies during the Jewish New Year is considered a soul of great righteousness. That was Ruth Bader Ginsburg. She did as much to advance the constitutional rights, opportunities, and justice for women as Justice Marshall did for African Americans. Within an hour of news of her passing, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said President Trump's nominee to replace Justice Ginsburg will receive a vote in the Senate. The exact opposite of what he said when President Obama nominated Merrick Garland. He created a new rule, the McConnell rule. Absolutely no hearing, no vote for a nominee in an election year. They cannot, just 4 years later, change course when it doesn't serve their ends. I'm speaking to those Republicans out there, Senate Republicans, who know deep down what is right for the country and consistent with the Constitution. In the middle of the worst global health crisis in living memory, Donald Trump is before the Supreme Court trying to strip health care, strip away the peace of mind of more than 100 million Americans with pre-existing conditions. The complications of COVID-19, like lung scarring and heart damage, could become the next deniable pre-existing condition. To jam this nomination through the Senate is just an exercise in raw political power. The Senate should not act until after the American people select their next president. Action and reaction, anger and more anger, sorrow and frustration at the way things are in this country now politically. That's the cycle that Republican senators will continue to perpetuate if they go down this dangerous path. So I appeal to those few Senate Republicans, the handful who really will decide what happens. Please follow your conscience. It's no wonder the Trump campaign asked that I release the list only after she passed away. It's a game for them. It's a play to gin up emotions and anger. Putting a judge's name on a list like that could influence that person's decision-making as a judge, and that would be wrong. If I win, I'll make my choice for the Supreme Court not based on a partisan election campaign, but on what prior presidents have done, Republicans and Democrats, and I've served with many of them. Only after consulting Democrats and Republicans in the United States Senate, I made it clear that my first choice for the Supreme Court will make history as the first African-American woman justice. But I'll consult with senators in both parties about that pick. This nation will continue to be inspired by Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But we should not only be inspired by her, we should be guided by her. Donald Trump seems to want us to divide this nation between red states and blue states, between representing those states that vote for him and ignoring those who don't. I do not. We need to rise to this moment for the sake of the country we love so dearly, indeed for its very soul. May God bless the United States of America. May God protect our troops. And may God bless Ruth Bader Ginsburg.